I have highlighted my obliged.
I have filed one international application in connection with item number 68 of today's list, Lordship, praying for extension of period of interim bail, Lordship, so that I could appear before the investigating officer. Can it be called for to Lordship that I interrogated and maybe then taken up at 2, Lordship? Only that much.
Not at 2, it will come in its own turn.
Because
68, item number
item
68.
68, Lordship.
It will come in its own turn.
Or as last item, Lordship, if does not reach, Lordship.
It will come. I think so. It may come because many items have been adjourned, so it may come up.
No.
If it won't come up, then unfortunately, then
I will make a mention at last hour, Lordship. If
you want to stay,
because interim prayer was not extended. Obliged.
Please, Lordship. I'd like to mention one listing for withdrawal mailer on Tuesday mailer.
what type of withdrawal? Criminal petition?
Criminal petition. He is already
Criminal petition, revision petition or criminal petition?
criminal revision petition
See, criminal revision petition, when do you want?
on Tuesday mailer.
1st April or did you find it? No, revision petition, no. Criminal petition is okay, but revision petition, 8th of
They
April.
already has divorced mailer. Both parties.
It's a revision petition or 482 petition?
482 petition.
482, 528.
520.
Data ka source forgot include koribo paini. 2nd of April.
Bless.
Please, Your Lordship, I would like to mention an IF for listing for orders. IF for listing for orders.
Ah, okay. When?
Next week,
According to us, okay.
7 April.
Two bail application, Milord. May I pray for listing today, Milord?
Today?
Yes, Milord. Yesterday I mentioned it, Milord, but out of turn I have mentioned. So Lordship was pleased to see.
Today?
Yes, sir, at 2, Milord.
Why? No, not at 2. What is the urgency?
Urgency because in a thief case, Milord, they have been, Milord, in custody more than 35 days.
You have tried the lower court?
Yes.
Rejected?
It has been rejected.
Okay, as the last matter.
Milord.
Last matter.
Obliged.
Item 1.
May it be the Lordship. But in this case, the petitioner and the deceased and 2 other persons were during the occasion of Ruka were consuming alcohol. And
We
when
need
they
the CD.
CD and PM report, 103 is there.
See, call for the CD along with the PM report, list the matter on 21st April.
by that time 19 days will be over, Lordship. He is already in custody by 21st.
How many days?
Now today is 17 days.
It'll be like some 90 days. Yeah. On 10th of April.
Obliged.
My lord, here the allegation is that I have been, along with some others, extorting money from the Beltola bi-weekly market, my lord. Well, the fact is that, my lord, on page number 22, this market was settled with one Fatik Das, my lord. And I am the employee of Fatik Das. On behalf of him, we have been collecting the money, giving the GMC receipt, my lord, which is at page number 4, my lord.
Just a moment. Please read the FIR.
My lord. At page 14, my lord,
Hmm.
this is to inform you that on 13/3/25 at 9:10 a.m., a news has been received which was published in Pratibimbo Live on 2/3/25 about collection of money illegally from the poor vegetable vendors by some goons at Beltola Bazaar. In this regard, I, Anjali Bora, along with the Gogoi, Deepak, and so, were detailed to conduct a secret operation, including in civil clothes, to find out about the truth of the news, and accordingly proceeded via Basista PS so-and-so. After arriving at Beltola Bazaar, a team of Dispute PS has also been joined with us. We, the team of Basista PS and the team of Dispute PS, jointly conducted a secret operation at Beltola Bazaar against the persons who collect money illegally from the poor vegetable vendors via Beltola so-and-so. The gang of goons who collect money from vendors were seen and followed. Videography was taken secretly while they were collecting money. During the joint operation, the team of Basista PS and team of Dispute PS have apprehended the below noted persons in presence of witnesses.
Just a moment.
My lord.
Yes.
Case there is required, they are,
My lord, here.
whether they were,
I'll just check the sections. Somebody has died?
Nobody is right.
Just a moment, just a moment. People want to it, there has to be death.
No, they were collecting.
People want 2A of BNS, there has to be death.
Section of it.
BNS.
111 2A of BNS.
It's organized crime, my
Organized
lord. Whoever commits organized crime, my lord.
2A has to be death.
2A. 2A. That has been wrongly put, my lord. One.
Going to the FI.
There's nothing
There's
of that, no.
But we have to clear about the contact is that they were entrusted to collect the money or not.
That is, my lord, at page number 22, this market was settled with Fatigue Das that I have enclosed, my lord. And the amazing thing is that
Just a
on
moment,
31st of
please.
March,
Let me go through the sections at least.
wait. Who has been wrongly put, I think.
P085 also extortion by putting a person in fear of death of previous, sir.
And there is no complainant who is the victim who has been extorted allegedly, my lord. No complainant is there. Who has been extorted?
Okay then. There's no debt. But 111 2A has been added, I don't know why.
That is wrongly, I think.
Third learned counsel, Mr.
And Anand, my lord.
N
Anand.
M
And Anand,
N Anand for the petitioner Sondan Bormon, no?
my lord.
Who has filed this Sondan Bormon, who has filed this application under section 483 of the BNSS 2023 with prayer for bail as is behind bars since 14/3/2025 in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections. Had Mr. D.P. Goswami, learned additional PP Assam. The allegation against the petitioner is that he is a member of an organized gang who has been indulging in extorting who has been indulging in extortion from poor vendors at Beltola Bazaar. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioners that that not a single victim has come forward. This petition has been filed by, or this FIR has been lodged by a third person. It is also submitted that what you were saying something?
My lord, this
You
market
please
was,
say from the petition, huh? Not out of the.
my lord,
petition.
this market was settled with one Fatigue Das, my lord. At page number 22, I have enclosed that GMC certificate.
No, not from the page number 22, from the petition.
Petition,
Bail
my lord.
petition.
My lord, para number 5. The accused petitioner ever most respectfully begs to submit that the Baltala bi-weekly market was settled with one Sari Fatih Das with the GMC for the period 5/12/24 to 31/3/25, my lord.
It is submitted that the market was settled with one fatigue gas by the GMC for the period between 5/12/24 to 31/3/25 for collecting toll from various vendors. I have considered the submissions at the bar. The petitioner has been behind bars since 14/3/2025. The petitioner has pledged to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation. The petitioner is and to abide by, continue koriba and to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon him. It appears that further custodial detention may not be required for the progress of investigation. Considering all aspects, petition is allowed. The petition is allowed on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the learned Sejam Kamrup Metro under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight with completion of investigation. Number two, that the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged. Number three, the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission on breach of any of the bail conditions. The learned jurisdictional courts, Eleka magistrate is at liberty to cancel the bail granted to the petitioner.
Highly advised, my lord. Our lords.
Made this. Lordship, this is 483 application, my lord, regular bail application, my lord. Petitioner was arrested on 12/3/25. As on date, 17 days, my lord.
What is the allegation? against you?
Allegation is, my lord, that I have taken money from people on the pretext of giving government job, my lord, to the education department.
Yes.
Yeah, page
Yes.
page 11, my lord. Yeah, FIR is at page 11, my lord.
Please read, please read.
Yes, your lordship, page 11. I am Kiran Deka. Sir, I am Kiran Deka, Registrar of the Office of the Director of Secondary Education, Assam. Respectfully begs to state that an NGO, namely Shiksha Mitra Tech Services, having its registered office at Ward number 6, Kotabari, was so-and-so was allowed to facilitate various awareness program among the students of different government and provincialized secondary schools of Assam free of cost. Now it has come to notice that Sohidul Islam, the present petitioner, son of so-and-so, along with his associates, have collected cash amount of rupees 50,000 from some persons, taking a plea to absorb them in regular government service.
Okay, let us go for the CD.
My lord,
Update.
yes, besides
Go for the
the
CD,
married, my lord,
better-
one thing I'd
very
like,
short date, very short date.
my lord,
8 April, see? Very
if your
short date.
lordship takes down a page 15, my lord, annexer. I'm not on that, my lord, only page 15, if your lordship takes down, my lord.
Page 15, yes.
Page 15, my lord. That is what is provided to me, my lord. The content of the notice, my lord.
Grounds of arrest.
Transfer arrest, my lord. I'm not on merit, my lord, in this case. Only I'm relying on this non-compliance of the same.
I do inform you that during.
Code 47 and 48.
These grounds of arrest are given.
My lord, grounds of arrest, my lord, as per Prabir Purkasto and Bihan judgment, my lord, it has to be.
According to their judgment, the grounds
Yes.
are there.
This is not grounds of
You-
mere this,
you-
mere mentioning
in
of sections,
case
my
and
lord.
So you arrested in connection with the above case in reference,
Yes, my lord, but no
Section 46,
particulars of the,
it is
no
there, it
particulars
is
of the
there.
offenses, my lord, in this case.
and please you say, submit your reply.
Lordship, and it is to confirm the CD whether ground of arrest was annexed or not.
No, it is there, it is there.
Okay.
Section 47, I have seen it is there.
My lord,
And
no,
you
48 was
can
also.
submit a reply.
That is only an information, my lord. No particulars has been
I
explained, my
have
lord.
read that, I have read over and over again that judgment.
My lord.
You have to read between the lines.
Particulars of the offense in such a manner, my lord, that constitutes the basic facts of the
That is
case.
why I'm
my lord.
calling the for the CD and he will need time to reply. See, this is a highly contested case, Vihan's case.
My lord, Bihan's case.
Now,
and
highly
Prabir
contested, the prosecution was given a
Lordship.
opportunity to reply.
Lordship.
So he must be given an opportunity to reply.
ma'am.
Very short date,
Very short,
eight.
short date.
Ek minute. Learned Counsel, Mr. Isha Chaudhary, no?
RH Chaudhary, Your Honor.
R.H. Chaudhary is present on behalf of the petitioner. Learned additional PP, Mr. D.P. Goswami has submitted that he will file, he will submit his objection. Call for the CD, list the matter on.
File your pleasure.
May I please, your Lord? Lord, this is not 483 application, my lord. FIR case 12. Today, my lord, 63 days behind the bar, my lord. Other court has already released on bail by the small court.
So 103 is there also, case there is required.
Hmm?
103 is there also.
Oh, no. We'll need a CD along with the PM report.
My lord,
Call for the CD list.
from Hazo, my lord, on 4th, my lord. On
7.
May it please, your lordship. It's a regular bail application.
Grounds of
although-
arrest.
No, no, my lord. Here only on the length of detention, my lord, and already stolen articles already recovered, my lord. Page 9 is the FIR, my lord. Actually, we called for it. We did not get that copy, my lord. That's why no grounds now. We asked for the certified copy that we did not get, my lord. There is no. That's why no
But it
ground.
is there in the petition.
Prayer? No, no, no.
No,
No,
not in the
no,
petition.
no. So page
Because
9.
last 3 days you have been submitting on grounds of arrest.
Yes, yes. I know. Other cases also we got.
You made me read the entire judgment
My lord, my lord.
twice.
We got around 5 coordinate benches, my lord. On that count,
Yeah.
there are,
I also granted bail on that.
yes, my. We got new development, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, here, my lord, page 9 is the FIR, my lord. And FIR relates to, my lord, one, my lord, trailer, my lord, that tractor trailer, my lord. That was stolen away, my lord. My lord, now they have, my lord, incorporated, my lord, kindly see 112, 111-2. So 111-2, my lord, organized crime, that will come when there is trade, my lord,
There is
It-
debt.
my lord.
There has to be debt also. I think.
Yes, my lord. So then there is another section, my lord. There for petty, my lord, that is 100 and, my lord,
How many days you are behind bars?
my lord, around, my lord, 35 days, my lord.
Let me check the sections.
Yes.
Just a moment.
We have annexed also, my lord. We have stated, my lord. Here,
I
my
just
lord.
check the sections because these are new to me.
Yes,
I keep
111,
updating, so let me check.
111 2B, my lord. would
I
have-
read it. That I have read just
Yeah.
now. It there has to be debt.
Yes, my lord. And 112 may come, my lord. That too against those persons who are directly involved.
Check 3032.
There is theft, my lord.
Theft, Have you tried the lower court?
My lord, that was filed, that was rejected, my lord.
And then let me check. Oh, that is C5 is abatement, or I think C5 is
My lord?
I think 34, earlier 34, no?
Yes,
That
yes.
34.
C5 is earlier.
But my lord, can you lordship may see 112 once, my lord? When it is petty organized crime, my lord, that punishment is less, my lord. That is 7 years, my lord. 112, my lord.
Hmm.
When there is no, my lord, threat,
2B, when there is
yes.
2A is debt, 2B
Yes,
is.
yes. Threat and intimidation, everything. But if we admit also, my
Yes,
lord.
yes, what do you have? What do you want to say, PP?
I think
Already recovered.
failures were recovered from the.
From the petition.
Yes. And we have stated I bought it, my lord. Let me kindly have a look at
You're
about
behind bars since?
23 to, my lord, 35 days, my lord, and it will be 60 days, my lord.
Okay,
So far.
third learned, okay. Third learned counsel, Mr. A. Chaudhary for the petitioner, Purnab Kulda,
Lordship.
who has filed this application under section 483 of the BNS 2023 with prayer for BNSS 2023 483 of the BNSS 2023 with prayer for bail as is behind bars since 23 to 2025 in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections. Heard Mr. D.P. Goswami, learned addition PP Assam. The allegation against the petitioner is that stolen articles from a trailer. Articles stolen from a trailer has been recovered from his possession. I have considered the submissions at the bar. The stolen articles have already been recovered. The petitioner has been behind bars for 35 days. It appears that investigation may have presumably progressed considerably. It appears that further custody detention may not be required. Considering all aspects, petition is allowed. The petitioner is enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of, where is this?
Learned system,
borrowed?
Amin Gaon, my lord. Come.
Amin Gaon.
Yes, ma'am.
Learned CGM Amin Gaon. Under the condition that the petitioner shall refrain from such activities with which he is alleged. Number two, the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight with completion of investigation. The petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission on breach of any of the bail conditions. The court is at liberty to cancel the bail granted to the petitioner.
Much obliged. Hello. Well, one correction, no, my lord, that trailer was, my lord, stolen, my lord, not articles, my lord.
Oh,
Trailer,
was stolen.
tractor with the tractor, the tailors to carry, my lord, this
Oh,
art and style.
trailer was stolen.
Yes, ma'am. One,
Trailer of a tractor was stolen.
yes, sir. Highly obliged, ma'am.
Articles from a tractor trailer, no, trailer was stolen from a tractor.
Much.
My lord, FIR, my lord, page 13, my lord, vernacular, 42 days in custody, my lord. The allegation is that, my lord, the petitioner attacked stabbed the informant's brother, my lord, with a knife, my lord. That is the allegation, my lord, page 13, the vernacular, my lord. Actually, my lord, they both, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, selling, my lord, flower to
With
the
a knife on his chest or head?
on backside, my
Backside.
lord, backside,
Backside.
west, my lord.
192 and 109 was there.
Oh.
Is there an injury?
After 2 days, my
Will
lord, he was
the case diary, backside stabbed with a knife.
knife
Will
as
the-
alleged, my lord.
Call for the case diary along with the injury report of the victim, list the matter of 9.
Obliged, my lord.
May I please, Your Lord?
Hmm.
Lordship, the FIR lordship will find on page 11, lordship. The theft lordship, the allegation mainly lordship, they were caught in CC camera lordship and 28 days behind the bar. No recovery was from them, lordship.
Please read the FIR.
Lordship, the on FIR date on 1/3/2025, I see Rahul Dubey, the so and so lost the FIR date on 22/2/2025 complaint regarding missing of blue color briefcase, trolley containing clothes, money and camera, etc. whom received from a complainant, namely Dr. Buddhadev Bhattacharya, mobile number so and so, traveling in train number so and so Vande Bharat express from Guwahati to New Jalpaiguri on coach number so and so so and so. In regarded law, a complaint at GRPS white number so and so dated 22/2025. Another similar incident happened on date 24/2/2025, wherein complainant Dilip Kumar Agarwal stated that he was traveling from GP to Guwahati to NGP in train number so and so, Vande Bharat in coach number so and so. And the complainant stated that when he boarded the said train, the train was at Guwahati, he lost one lady's handbag of cream color, which contains one Samsung mobile case 75,000 and jewelry, gold chain with locket, watch, spectre, and iPhone mobile charger, etc. In this regard, he lost a complaint at DRPS, fight number so and so. Based on the complaint, through a surveillance was kept by a team of officer and staff of the Guwahati RPF. CCTV footage were obtained from the above coach against the date 22/2 and 24/2. This is
Okay,
footage of
okay, just,
Lord.
you have applied for bail in the lower court?
Lordship, Lordship, that's it.
Where's the order?
That Lordship will find on page
29.
29 and operative portion on page 30, Lordship. The middle of the portion, above the last paragraph, the bail petition number so and so was rejected, Lordship. 28 days, Lordship.
All 4 of them.
Lordship.
I learned counsel Mr. S. Mooney for the petitioners. Saison, who have filed this application under section 483 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for bail as the petitioners are behind bars since 1/3/2025 in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections. Heard Mr. D.P. Goswami learned additional PP Asa. The petitioners, the allegation against the petitioners is that they are involved in numerous theft incidents from trains. Basically from trains. On with the help of CCTV footage, the petitioners were caught. The petitioners were found committing such offences of theft Full stop. The learned court of the judicial magistrate, the court of the judicial magistrate. Chief, the learned, okay. The learned chief judicial magistrate in charge has rejected the bail preferred by the petitioners on 2/3/2025. I considered the submissions at the bar with circumspection. The petitioners have been behind bars since 1/3/2025. It appears that investigation may have presumably progressed to a considerable, to substantially. It appears that further custodial detention may not be required for the progress of investigation. The petitioners have also pledged to cooperate with the remaining part of the investigation and to abide by any stringent bail conditions if imposed upon them. Considering all aspects, the petitioners are enlarged on bail of ₹30,000 each with a suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the CGM Kamrup Metro, under the condition that the petitioners shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till the completion of investigation. Number two, the petitioners shall refrain from such activities with which they allege, and the petitioners, local persons,
No.
Huh?
Outside.
okay, outsiders,
No.
mostly outsiders.
No.
Okay, now, and legally visible. On breach of any of the bail conditions, the court is at liberty to cancel the bail granted to the petitioners.
Much obliged, Your Honor. Much obliged.
Appeal to Lordship for 83 bail application Lordship. And page 10 FIR Lordship. May I read Lordship? সন্মানপূৰ্বক বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে মই নিস্বাক্ষৰকাৰী মহোদয়ক জনাও যে যোৱাকালি নিম্ন লোকজনে এক গাড়ী ইটাৰ অৰ্ডাৰ দিয়ে যাৰ মূল্য 21,000 লোকজনে কোৱা মতে এক গাড়ী ইটা হাতীগাঁও LNB পথ হাউচ নম্বৰ 6 আজি ৰাতিপুৱা পেলাব কৈছিলে লোকজনৰ কোৱা মতে লগে লগে পেমেন্ট কৰাৰ কথা
Have you
আছিল
applied for
যদি
bail in the lower court? No, you first apply for bail in the lower court. These are first class tribal cases.
316 is there.
Hmm? 316
316
cheating,
who is there?
Huh?
No. Criminal breach of trust is there. Lordship.
cheating and criminal breach of trust.
Lordship.
Why you can apply in the lower court, criminal breach of trust. You can apply first class tribal.
Lordship.
You withdraw this petition. Withdraw this petition.
Lordship.
I'll call for the CD. It's up to you. You withdraw this petition, you apply before the lower court.
Lordship.
You have to apply before the lower court first.
Lordship, Eid is there. That's why if I go to lower court, it will take some time.
What about the Eid of that person who was cheated,
Lordship, there was no cheating. Lordship, at the
allegedly cheated?
same date, Lordship, he has
Withdraw,
filed the
you apply
FIR.
before the lower court. You withdraw the petition,
Lordship.
okay?
Okay, Lordship, give me opportunity to file today.
Learned counsel, Mr. Your name?
J.S. Ahmed.
J.S. Ahmed has paid for withdrawal of the petition. Heard Mr. D.P. Goswami, learned additional PP, Assam. The petition is dismissed on withdrawal with a liberty to file a fresh petition before the lower court.
My lord, in the case, my lord, wrongly mentioned, my lord, in the motion column, my lord. It is, otherwise, it is in order column and it's not.
This is a case, my lord. In a DV case, my lord, I was given an award of maintenance, my lord. Subsequently, they preferred an appeal. There was a delay in preferring the appeal. So they filed a Section 5 limitation application for condoning the delay. That limitation application was dismissed. Their appeal was not admitted. So against that, they have filed this revision petition. Now, there is also an IA where your lordship was pleased to stay the NBWA which was issued against them. Because by till now, my lord, there is an area of more than 1,80,000 rupees. From 2020 onwards, I'm not receiving any maintenance. This is their case. Now, they want to, otherwise, if they want to go and prefer the appeal, that delay is there, my lord. We will not object to the condonation of the delay, provided, my lord, at least they pay 50% of the spending amount, my lord. In that case, my lord, we will not oppose that. The lordship may direct that the delay may be condoned and the appeal may be heard on merit. But at least, my lord, 50% they should pay, my lord. From 2020, I'm not paying
Yes.
any maintenance.
My lord,
Instead of going into a contest, my lord, that is a concession.
only thing is that the cases, when there are so many grounds, when the cases,
You don't want to
Yes.
pay the 50% of them.
my lord, not only 50%, I am unable to pay, my lord.
It often
I
in
am
family cases.
suffering from, my lord, TV and
Page 63, my lord.
Yes.
10-10-2013. Learned counsel for the complaint present. This order on the matter condition delay for which complaint was made of.
Where? Which?
10-10-20, 10-10-13, bottom
10,
point.
13, okay.
10-10-13.
Yes.
Learned counsel for complaint present. This order on the matter condition delay for which complaint was made prior also. In this case, admitted there was a delay of 4 days in filing the case. And reason shown by the complaint is that through demand notice was sent by registered post with AD. But AD is not written, hence applied to concerned postal authority and why reply no about the date of service of demand notice. Here delay called. Complainant filed copies of concerned document shows the complainant side got information from postal demand date of service of demand notice. Hence, I find the complaint reasonably explains the reason of delay in filing this case. And is not his willful act, which caused delay in filing of danger justice filing of case. In condone cognizant offense. Under section 120 of material record, issue summons upon the accused person. Then after that, issue summons. This is first I challenge. The normal procedure is that if there is delay, there is a judgment also. I don't want to cite after that, I will cite at the time of admission. That if you have to give notice to the other side.
But you are not challenging this order, are you?
No, I'm not challenging. I'm coming, my lord.
But what is the point of
Because this order I challenge. This order I challenge.
challenge?
Yes, I have challenged.
Condemnation of delay?
Yes. I have challenged. If you go
To this petition?
through this petition, if you have to go through a prayer portion, this order I challenge. After that,
Then you give me the judgment.
yes. Judgment you want, my lord. Yes.
That notice has to be issued.
Yes.
Please highlight the paragraphs.
Para 15. Para 15.
Para 15, yes.
Para 15.
Okay.
The question,
Hmm.
my lord, para page 7.
Yes.
The question which is required to be responded to is whether before passing the order of condemnation delay, the respondent or right, number 1 has a right to hard or not. The answer to the said question has already been settled by this court in Shankar Chaudhary, Supra, where it is held under section 130 of the Act. If original complaint is filed after express statute period, in such cases before condemnation delay, according to the proviso of section 140 DBI Act, the accused shall be given a notice along with the copy of application for condemnation delay. Upon hearing the parties a complaint, the landlord shall decide whether delay is to be condoned or not. If the court is satisfied with the case cause is assigned, in such application for condemnation delay, due cognizance may be taken on appropriate order in the event of not condemned delay. No, my lord. After that, second, my lord, what happened? They filed a petition. After that, issue summons. On the next day, the complainant has filed a petition. No, this is not the appropriate court. Then the matter is sent to appropriate court, that is Moriga court. And accordingly, order has been passed on the basis of Supreme Court judgment in Dashrath Rup Singh or Rathod. This order I have annexed, page 67.
Order dated 9/9.
Page 67, my lord. People have to go through page 67. If lordship go through page 67.
Yes, page 67.
The
yes.
complainant is present.
Hmm.
On perusal of CRD, it appears that a check upon consideration in this case was dishonored by SBI Kajal Nagar, Murigaon, and in the right of judgment of Honorable Supreme Court in Dashrath Rup Singh Rathod, but state of Maharashtra and others, this court had no jurisdiction to try the case. Considering above, I deemed it justified to return the case to the complaint to be filed in proper court within 30 days from today.
Hmm.
On this basis, the case has been transferred to Murigaon.
Earlier it was in which place?
Earlier, it is filed in Guwahati, Kamrup Metro.
Then it went to Morigaon.
It went to Morigaon in the year 2014. In 2014, a case was registered. I'm just telling the facts. I'm gonna, after that, I will read that.
This bouncing is relating to, what is the amount of money relating to the bounce of check bounce?
Amount of bounce of check.
Just a minute, they have to go through the complaint petition.
$79 lakhs.
79 lakhs.
79 lakhs executed.
And it's pending since 2014.
2014. Because of lack of decision taken by the magistrate,
You are the accused.
I'm the accused. Now what happened? They have taken cognizance. Now, yes. After that, when they shifted to Morigaon court, after issuing so many summons, after so many days, in the last, then,
Yes.
yes, after issuing so many summons, the complainant did not turn up in last 3 occasions. I have annexed the page 90.
Hmm.
If you also go, no, page 19. Yes, my lord, 90. If you also get page 90, 8317, you go through orders, 8317.
Yes.
Complainant is absent without any stays. Perused the case record and found that the complainant is absent without any stays in 1912-16. Not take any steps for the process. In view of the above, I am the opinion that the complainant has no interest to proceed with the case, and I found no reason for further proceeding. Hence, the case is dismissed for filed for default non-prosecution of the complainant. Dismissed, cut it. If you also go through that original part, 91 page, you see, my lord, was the cast here the dismissed, again filed. I don't know, there no initial is there. 91 page.
Yes.
No initial is there. Who have written file, dismiss? Because there is no provision in the CRPC that the case be dismissed.
Case be filed.
Case be filed. Because it is normal practice that's going on. Because the normal practice is going on, the case be filed. What is the meaning of file? File is, in case of GR case, file means after, if the accused is not absent, if the accused is not present for a long time, if PN is accused, then only the file, the case is filed. But in the complaint case, if you go to 256 CRPC, my lord, you'll also go through just
Yes,
it at
yes, yes.
256 CRPC.
Yes.
Non-appearance for date of complaint. If the summon has been issued on complaint and a date appointed for appearance of the accused, on any day subsequent hereto, with which the hearing may be adjourned, the complaint does not appear. The magistrate not missing anything herein considered accused. That means that there is a provision that if the complaint does not appear or the in case of GR case the state does not appear, informant, then the magistrate has power to accuse the accused. So same thing here. So where is the file? Question of file comes. Either it should be dismissed, but these are not happening in this case. Day after some time they filed the petitions that this case should be transferred to Guwahati. This is not a fit case. And they filed a restoration petition. You don't pull a tooth for it. Yes, well,
Page 95.
if you also go through page 95, Annex 10.
You'll have to compress the argument because we have 70 cases.
Yes, that's what
People are
I
waiting.
want to compress it. That's why I want to compress it because the case after that, the court has taken
Page, which page?
page 95. Answer 10.
Page 95, yes.
Page 95, relevant portion, petition number so and so is under consideration. The petition accompanied by affidavit shown by Jatindra Kumar Singha.
Annex
the-
10.
Yes, now the representation is different. Yeah, earlier the case was filed by representation something. Here the representation is some other person who is nowhere connected. He doesn't know anything about that. They prayed for revival of case and transfer the case to the court of Kamrup, Guwahati in view of the Negotiation Instrument Amendment Act. On the basis of that, the court, the Lanet Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate Court, Murigaon, 97 page, my lord, page 97, 5 to 2019. In view of the above, return the case record in judgment and refile it. In view of the above, return the case record in original to complaint of the land record. They have set a liberty to refile it. That means they have restored it. Without going through the way, who is the representative? So there is lot of I don't
Challenge this order also.
Yes, I have challenged this order. I don't want to go if this is my argument. There are a lot of judgment. Then where the judgment says, I just can give you that there is no provision for restoration in the CRPC. There is no provision for restoration. Under 360 of CRPC, magistrate has no power to review, to recall, alter his own order. Once dismissed, dismissed. But they have filed a fine. This is something.
No, if it is filed, it can be restored by the magistrate.
Magistrate, but
Same magistrate.
yes, my magistrate, same magistrate, but there is no provision. That's why I'm telling you. There's just a lot of judgment. If you lot of go time, give me some time. I can write it.
I don't think so. That's
Yes.
very clear for me.
Yes.
Well, that magistrate who has filed it, he can restore it. It is very clear.
But here, my lord, the case is not the case of filed because the complaint is absent for so 5-6 days. The complaint is not taken any interest. So in case of this, that's not telling you, my lord. That means that the case has to be it has to be dismissed because of the absence of the complainant. Because he is not, the order itself reflects that he is not interested in the case. That's why I have taken. This order has challenged.
17 lakh rupees, 79 lakh.
No,
rupees.
I'm not taking, not 70. I'm just, let it be proceed. And a third factor, my lord, when it comes to Guwahati, the Guwahati without following the due process issues cognizance because who is the petition? He is the director, the managing director and chairman. How they are related? Because the Act says that, my lord, NI Act 142. That is the vital thing, Manager. These are so many lacuna in the judgment.
This order is also challenged, no? This order is also challenged.
This also challenge. 140 NI Act.
All right. Okay. Have you mentioned it in the petition?
Yes, I have mentioned there. 140 NI Act. The director simply they should have to know the facts and circumstances. There are a lot of judgment. The director cannot be held as a vicarious liability is not there. Vicarious liability will be applied only if he knows that, but there are no such affirmative made in the complaint.
That company said
Yes, my lord.
there are a lot of judgments about directors.
Yes, a lot of judgment. Specific evidence, yeah. Because I can give you all the judgment.
So you have, that is also another plea.
Yes, that is also one of it. That's why I'm taking the order which has been passed by Lanes.
You can give me the judgment relating to directors.
Yes, my lord.
The liability of board of directors.
Yes, the liability of board of directors.
Only one judgment is enough.
Yes, one
This is only a matter of stay, you know.
The later judgment also will be relevant.
I'll take the latest and return the other one.
Yes. You take the later one.
Okay. All right.
So in my submission is that let it be kept in abeyance for the time being. Let me appear. I have no objection. If the court case starts, after that I have no objection.
Yes.
Let
And
us finish.
one more. Just a moment.
My lord,
Just a moment. Only the complaint petition.
Only-
Complaint petition.
complaint petition you want? Yes, page 50.
Please read the complaint petition.
Page 50.
Yes.
This is big petition.
Relevant part from 52.
Hmm?
Relevant part from 52.
Relevant part from 52.
Okay.
The complainant is a limited company being incorporated under Provincial Company Act 1956 and represented by authorized representative Rajkumar Tiwari. Salam Dorka Prasad. See, this is also thing. Representative is Dorka Rajkumar Tiwari. But on the next occasion, when the
Another
case
Jain person has come.
no, no. Huh?
Jain only.
Jain has come. Yeah. Jain has come. And there is no provision. The second time of the cognizance may be taken because first they have already taken the cognizance. Next time also they have taken cognizance. The magistrate.
No averment about that.
No averment in the anything about against the director. How is he responsible for day-to-day affairs? Simply day-to-day affairs the company is not sufficient. He has to prove it. With the judgment says. How the director is responsible? How this
No,
managing
that
director
is
is
there,
responsible?
that is there. I have come across many
Yes.
judgments.
So no, if you lordship go through if you lordship want, I can read you the entire complaint petition. Yes. The
No,
accused of
no, let us save time.
Huh.
I will ponder over it. I'll pass an order later.
Okay.
You want a stay?
even
Ponder
stay for
over it.
kept in abeyance for the time being.
And I will check how these directors are responsible
Yes,
or
yes.
not responsible.
Yes, madam.
And if you have a case for stay, I will stay. And if you have a case for stay, I will stay.
Yes.
I'll ponder it. I need
And
some
then
time.
they get a dismissal part also you see.
Sorry?
One part, one judgment.
Will be lying.
And now regarding the dismissal part. This regarding whether case can be filed or not.
Because this is a voluminous record, I'll have to go
No,
through
no,
every
no,
complaint petition is a long.
Yes,
petition.
yes. Because the
take some
case
time.
happens like this from 13.
And then I have so many matters.
So
also
if
keep
they
it
are
on.
really complaining interest in proceed with the case, from 13 onwards, he is dragging. Now they have issued summons on me.
Let's
This is
see.
not the process.
Let's see.
If they're so interested in realizing the money.
May it please your lordship. 438 application, now it's 482, my lord. And assistant manager, my lord, is before your lordship, my lord. And the offense are all below 7 years and below, my lord, wherein 41A notice is mandatory, but no notice has been received. Now, if your lordship comes to the FIR at page 16, now the allegation, it's a long affair, my lord. So far, my name appears, my lord. What happens, my lord? There happens to be an ATM machine in the bank. And these are loaded by the bank managers. And from 2019 to 2023, a discrimination, a shortage of funds with regard of 51,13,000 has been found. My name appears in paragraph 3, my lord. That's I'm reading it, my lord, page 16. The alleged incident that occurred during the period 2021 to 23. This person, namely Prashanna Bhuya, I am before your lordship, my lord, posted from 12/4/2023 to 27/2023. This is again incorrect, my lord, because I joined in subsequently, my lord, and moved away from that particular bench before that. Prasenjit Hazarika, my lord, he approached before his honorable court. He has been protected by way of anticipatory bail. And other person, all persons posted in that particular bench has been made an accused in the affair, my lord. So may I come to, my lord, take your lordship.
Anticipatory bail before interim bail or
Interim, my lord, did they photocopy? Yes. I pray for a similar order because the machine itself is been subjected to verification at page 78, my lord, will kindly see. This is not my report, my lord. This is the internal report, my lord. This is with regard to accused number 2 who has been named in the affair, my lord. And these are all documentary evidence, my lord. I was there in the bank, joined on 10/5, my lord. And in between, I was on leave. At page 78, my lord, will kindly see.
You have joined on 10/5?
Yes. 8/5, my lord. I am sorry. 8/5, I have joined in, my lord. And 8/5/2023, my lord. And I was there, my lord, till 10/7/2023, only 99 days, my lord. And other days, my lord, I was on leave, my lord. And the leave is also been granted that I have annexed, my lord, the leave ones. Yes. Page 43, my lord, will kindly come to page 43, 42, my lord.
Just a moment, this is an interim order or final order?
Interim order, my lord, interim. I am praying for interim, my lord, protection.
This order?
Is an interim order, my lord, of a coordinate bench, my lord. Another accused persons also I have heard, my lord, he has also been granted interim protection, my lord. At page 42, my lord, will kindly see.
Yes.
My leave, page 42, my lord, 8 number column, 24/4/2022 to 6/5/2000, I was on leave. Then again from 10/7 to 19/7, 2023. Whatever is the affair has been quoted, my lord, it is incorrect. And my lord, it is a public machine, my lord, wherein discrepancy is been there in that machine, which has been highlighted at page 78, my lord, will kindly come to page 78. It's a fault in the ATM, my lord. Discrepancies, observation, reconciliation process of Burberry ATM, so and so, so and so. ATM machine under malfunction, all along it's been malfunction and it's been, my lord, reported, nothing been done. Departmental proceeding has been initiated against me, show cause notice has been given, I have given a reply based on, my lord, documentary evidence. And the main thing, my lord, at page 59, my lord, folded 1, my lord, this money has been withdrawn by the manager and been put in the ATM by the manager. I have no role to play in, my lord. Page 59, my lord, will kindly see. Because there is an account, my lord, that is a Vostro account wherein it is belonging to the particular bank. Now, when there is a shortage in the ATM, my lord, the Bombay head office, my lord, shows that you put it cash. Then this 20 lakhs is been withdrawn by the bank manager, put it in the ATM, my lord, and the switch is put on. All money, my lord, again at page 61, my lord, it's not me, my lord. 12/5, I joined on 10/5, my lord, but so far withdrawal of money and putting in ATM, I have no role. And again, my lord, at page, my lord, 65, same thing, my lord, 10 lakhs been withdrawn, my lord, my role is not there, my lord.
You
At
are the
page 74,
assistant manager.
my lord, assistant manager, at page 74, my lord, will kindly come to at page 74. That is very important. Now, before lodging of the affair, my lord, there is a verification. What is going on? At paragraph, my lord, been star marked, my lord, kindly see that. On 18/7/2023, ATM EOD process of the same ATM was carried out by regional office and machine counter and switch slip were extracted. Diebold engineers were also present on the same day. From the report, it was found that machine counter as well as switchboard are showing remaining 1274 into 500, means that's the denomination of, my lord, money. But physically amount available in machine was 1256.500, shortage of so and so, so and so. Immediately after that, on dated 18 July 2023, after EOD, the machine was shut down and the shutter key was taken in custody of RD. Thereafter, RO, my lord, regional office, thereafter, to find out the reasons for shortage of 9,000 from last loading, we have gone through each and every transaction in switch as well as CO account from 14 July to 23 to 18 July 23. And we found that rupees 19,54,000 has been dispensed perfectly from switch as well as CO account. We could not able to find any such specific reason from the transaction to account for the above shortage. This matter needs to be checked at CO level. Further, on 25th July 2023, it was decided to reopen the ATM after preventive maintenance by Diebold engineer under monitoring and supervision of the RO team on daily basis. On the same day, official in presence of Diebold engineer, our so-and-so has taken out the physical cash 1256.500 and deposit to ATM CO account, and thereafter switch as well as ATM counters were reset to 0. After depositing the above amount, the CO account, the debit balance shows further to be 51,10,500. On 28th July, so-and-so ATM was replaced and 2,500 ATM was restrained for observation. On 29/23, before loading slips of machine counter and switch slips were extracted, we found a tallying showing dispense of 1431.500 and remaining 21 so and so, but remaining balance of so and so showing 51 lakhs 31,000 instead of 51 lakhs 21,000. This is a machine fault, man. And on that very basis, this honorable court has protected minor. They are not thieves, my lord.
Yes.
At this stage, I prefer case diary only, Lordship.
Let it be the case that we call for. I need the interim protection so as to assist the investigating officer in this case. An offencer, my lord, within 7 years.
Now, he was informed and by the concerned authority and he also given his written reply.
Yes, yes. He is cooperating.
Where's the FIR page?
16, my lord. This problem this started with regard to malfunctioning of this ATM from 2021. I joined in for only 99 days in between.
At
So
Barbary branch.
my lord, that Barbary branch only. Their technical engineers came in and all of the lock and key has been taken out by them. Again, they have checked in, my lord. It found again, my lord, discrepancies.
This Barbary branch is in Guwahati.
Guwahati, my lord, Guwahati.
He was charged by the authority 21/1/25 and he has given his written reply on 29/1/25.
Yes.
And FIR was launched on 4/3/25.
Yes. And internal enquiry, FIR is 4325, my lord. Internal enquiry, my lord, that's the last annexure I have annexed it. 2/11/24.
That is
Even
departmental inquiry.
departmental enquiry and with regard to malfunctioning of that particular ATM machine, my lord, that is 2/11/24. They knew this is malfunctioning before joining, my lord. after my joining, my lord, and before leaving still now it is malfunctioning. And so the assistant manager who joined in my post after my transfer, my lord, he's also been roped in, my lord. My transfer order is there, my lord. Page, my lord, will kindly come to 51. Yes, page 51, my lord, will kindly see. 11.4 is the order, my lord. I joined in on 8.5. I joined in on 8.5, my lord. And the next order, my lord, again, I have been, my lord, transferred, my lord, on 10.7, my lord. Wherein I joined on 19.7, no? In the new head office, my lord. Whereas the FIR shows, my lord, till 27 under my name that I have been posted there. I was on leave. That also I have annexed.
In the Lordship, Annexure J 78 last line also it reflects that in view of the
Annexure,
above it, Annexure J, page 78
78.
last page
Yes.
for the 81 page.
Yes.
In view of above, which is observed that ATM machine was definitely having error on malfunction, so that system adjustment done by branch official was genuine or bogus.
Page 78.
81 last page.
Last page.
On that report from senior manager.
Was
Discrepancies was often reconsidered.
yes. Was genuine or bogus can be ascertained for complete result. We request please provide the above incomplete mention so and so suspected transaction occurred from 1/1/22 till 18/7/23, my lord. We have already requested through email. Now their internal, they are not sure, but their officer from the regional office came in, my lord, and they sealed the ATM, remove all the cash, then again reloaded the cash, took the ATM machine's keys and everything. After again
from
verification,
zero,
again
They
malfunction.
started from 0.
Yes, again it was malfunctioning, my lord.
Yes, yes.
It's all documentary evidence, my lord. CCTV cameras, everything has been given in, my lord.
Our learned counsel, Mr. AK, we have for the petitioner who has filed the petitioner নামটো হল প্রশান্ত প্রসেনজিৎ হাজৰিকা, no?
Prakanna Kumar Bhuya.
প্রশান্ত
Prasanna.
Prasanna Bhuya,
Second is my lord Hazarika.
who has filed this application under section 482 of the BN SS 2023 with prayer for pre-arrest bail as is apprehending arrest in connection with so and so PS case under so and so sections, heard Mr. DP Goswami, learned additional PP Assam. The petitioner is apprehending arrest as notice has been issued against him in connection with the aforementioned case. Post of the petitioner has earlier appeared before DIO. You have appeared before DIO?
No, my lord.
Okay.
Before the departmental authorities.
The allegation is that he is involved in misappropriation of funds from the ATM at Borbury, no?
Yes, my lord.
From the ATM at Borbury, Central Bank of India, along with the co-accused to the tune of rupees 51,13,000.
Yes.
51,13,000. Full stop. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the FIR itself unfolds that the misappropriation was detected from 28/11/2021 up to 31/12/2023, whereas the petitioner was working in the aforementioned Borbury branch only for
99 days from 8/5, my lord, to 10/7.
Was working to worked in the aforementioned Borbury branch for only 99 days from 8/5/2023.
And in between, he was on leave again, my
Up
lord.
to, yes, up to 10/7/2023. During the relevant period, mostly the petitioner, during the relevant period when the alleged offense occurred, mostly the petitioner was on leave. Full stop. I'll have to mention the annexure, no? Annexure. Will be annexure what?
Annexure
That
J,
leave-
my lord. Last is J.
Leave. Leave is a series of annexure, I think.
Yes, 53 to 57 is the
42.
first. They have
This is
done
page
due
42,
diligence.
no? Is it annexure C,
C is, my lord is looking for which one, my lord?
page 42?
40
Does it fall within annexure C?
42, my lord, happens to be, my lord, yes, leave, yes. That is showing that I was
Annexure
on leave,
C is the.
leave. I was on leave, 24/4, 265, then
annexure
10/7
C is
to
the
19/7.
employee detail, the part of annexure C series, where the employee details is reflected, clearly reveals the leave period of the petitioner, that he was not present, that he was on leave during the period, mostly during the period of the alleged offense.
My lord.
Full stop. It is further submitted that annexure J of the petition clearly reveals that the machine, the ATM machine was not functioning properly, and there was an order to detect whether the anomalies were caused by the malfunctioning of the ATM machine or by the bank employees.
My lord.
It appears that interim bail will be granted to the petitioner. Call for the CD, leave the matter on.
16, oblique.
In the interim and in the event of his arrest, the petitioner shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with the suitable surety of like amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority.
Deeply.
Under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation, the petitioner shall appear before the IO on every fortnight till completion of investigation. And the petitioner shall, he is from Guwahati?
He's in Guwahati.
And the petitioner shall not leave the jurisdiction of the court without prior permission. On breach of any of the bail conditions, bail order shall stand automatically cancelled.
Deeply.
It appears that interim bail will be granted. Our sentence provided also. It is also further submitted that the petitioner is that the co-accused of the petitioner, Prosenjit Hazarika, was granted interim bail by coordinate bench of this court in by order dated 25/3/2025 in AB number 686 of 2025.
Deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is an anticipated bail application, lordship, by FIR lordship will find on page 15, lordship. This petitioner is in charge of a Panigaon lordship, police station, lordship. He is now under suspension, lordship. Now, lordship, what happened, the FIR, may I read, that is on page 15, lordship. It is respectfully submitted that the informant brothers-in-law, Lakhinath Pegu, engaged him to look after the below mentioned 7 cow, and out of affection and having the facilities, same was duly served, but on last 5/3/25, while the cow were brought back, then complainant along with Rajmoni Pegu and Talmo Dole have been picked up on a vehicle by the Panigaon police station in charge and brought to police station. Thereafter threatened by demanding 50,000, then the police within the police station premises by taking them to the backside of the police station, lordship. And therefore paid 21,000 to get relief, for which the general people are scared. Now, lordship, what happened? These person are moving, lordship, suspiciously with 7 cow, lordship. They were taken to police station, lordship. After interrogation, they were released, lordship. That time, lordship, in charge was not there. The present petitioner was not there. The 3 Havildar, lordship, who has taken them, this informant back of the backside of the PS, lordship, and demanding something, lordship. This petitioner is not named. But the interesting, lordship, this petitioner now, lordship, since he is an in charge at that time, lordship, a suspension order is passed against him, lordship. Now he is in under suspension, lordship. Page 21, his correspondence to the superintendent, lordship. That is on page 21, lordship. Now I am on.
Arrest him, call for the CD, list the matter on.
Lordship, can they protect this person, lordship, because extortion not by this person, lordship. If it is a, he can interrogate lordship.
No, no. Why, I'm giving you a short date.
Yes.
10 April.
Can you? Yes, lordship.
Short-
Hello.
Matter lordship, madam.
Yes.
This is a case matter after 1.5 years, I received a notice, 41 notice. That's why I'm before lordship, madam. The petition, your lordship also dealt with this case matter, 3-4 matters, matter 439. Idea, madam.
Okay.
So that will be very clear, madam, if your lordship kindly see your lordship will have page 22. Just only one paragraph will make everything clear. What is the case?
Yes, sir.
Now, I am the owner of the several vehicles, my lord. I have nothing to do, my lord, with that vehicle. It belongs to someone, Mohendra Singh. Now you are kind of page 17. The notice I received. Notice is dated, my lord, 23/3/25, page 17, my. Page 17.
How many liters of petrol?
9860 as per the order I have seen.
That is your lordship order also reflected, my lord.
9860.
9860 liters. That was found shortage in that vehicle. And I am the owner of the vehicle of 3 vehicles. I have nothing to
Seen the
do.
CD, no?
Yes. In the meantime, my lord. After 1.5 years, my lord.
Series required.
CD
yes.
required, I think.
The city, in the meantime, my lord, what is the, nothing is there, my your lordship. After 1.5 years, I received that notice. If your lordship find anything, my your lordship will do whatever your
Every
lordship.
granted bail.
My lord, yes. P4 person, my lord, page 21 to 29. That was a regular.
Because nothing was found against them, maybe.
That may be nothing. I am the owner of the vehicle, my lord.
That's why it is required. Lordship. You are
Yeah,
the
no,
owner
no,
of the vehicle.
city, my lord, your lordship. I am not. Certainly, my lord, we should be fair. My lord, my question is, my lord, that in the chamber of the vehicle it was found. Shortage was found. I am the owner of the sovereign vehicle. I have given my lord, all the vehicle numbers, etc. I have given. How can I go? My lord, it is not expected also, my lord. You have put it to business, my lord. Only business guy will come so that I may be put to custody. My lord.
Maybe I have given them bail because of length of detention, maybe.
No, that I am not. That is the regular bail. I am just. I have shown, my lord, that that regular bail, my lord. I am not on the same
Yes, I
footing.
remember many statements of many witnesses pointing towards some of the accused who I have granted bail. So, but I have given them bail. I
No,
remember.
that they are on different footing,
I know
madam.
this case because
They
I
are,
have granted bail.
they are,
three
madam,
accused.
they are, my lord, because they are basically, madam, they are in custody. So your lordship considered, my lord, I have nothing to say, my lord. What I am on, my lord, after 1.5 years, I received the notice, my lord. I am appeared to go. I am ready to go, my lord. I will go.
But you may be forwarded to custody because notice is
Your
already.
lordship is aware of these things, my lord.
I'll just check. I'll just ponder over it.
My lord?
I'll just ponder over it.
What?
I'll need some time.
No, your lordship need not say, sir. Your lordship is having vast experience. How? This is a very simple case for your lordship, my lord.
No, I'll need some
After
time.
1.5 years, my lord, and in the FIR, in the forwarding report of those person, nothing. I have annexed everything, my lord. Nothing is there. Nothing is there.
I'll need some time, a little bit of time, not much. In the evening, because if I accumulate cases till the evening, I won't be able to go home today.
Not true.
So I'll need some time.
No, I am not on that, my lordship may have need, my lord. I am similar, your lordship may call for the records, my lord, by the city, my lord. In the meantime,
I'll just read,
My-
I'll ponder what a matter. And then-
I lift your lordship. I lift your lordship. All right.
Item 17. May it please your lawsuits. This is an secretary petition, 482 petition, my lord. Here, there are 4 accused, my lord. 2 is the father of the accused number 1, and 3 is the mother of the 4 is the mother of the accused number 1, and 3 is the brother of the accused number 1, my lord. FIR lordship, kindly peruse. Type copy. This case is fake case, my lord. That the complainant lodged an FIR to that effect on 25/1/2025 at about 12 p.m. while the complainant went out for the toilet. The accused number 1, along with some unknown person, kidnapped her from her.
My lord, pre-arrest bail application, my lord. The petitioner for your lordships, one Santanu Sharma and another is Aminul Haq, my lord. These petitioners, my lord, the employee of SB Construction Private Limited, my lord. There, one is labor contractor and another is my lord supervisor.
You want interim bit?
Yes, on
Please read the FIR.
FIR, my
On
lord.
what ground you want
FIR
interim
not
bit?
registered, my lord. One GD entry has been made, my lord, in this case.
Okay,
Page 6, page 21, my lord, FIR.
page 21.
Page 21. Translated copy, your honor. And main vernacular, my lord, page 23, my lord.
Labor was died in the.
Yes, ma'am. One incident has happened, my lord, while uh, on the
GD
side, my
entry?
lord. GD entry, my lord.
No,
My lord,
no, this is bailable offense, bailable, this.
another bail application is pending, my lord. That is page number 27, my lord. Kindly peruse, my lord. A report has been called
GD
for.
entry and this bailable offense, this is negligence, no? Where this petition itself is not maintainable.
No,
It's
my
a
lord.
bailable offense.
Bailable, my lord. One thing is that, my lord, allegation is serious, my lord. That's why, my lord, not registered till now. Inquiry is going on, my lord. Thing is that another petition is pending, my lord. Page 27, my lord. Kindly peruse, my lord. Report has been called for in this case, my lord.
Yes, you'll call for a report.
Fixing on, my lord, 2/4/2025.
If any case has been registered on, based on the GD entry number, how much?
GD entry number, my lord, SKK.
SKKCHOP 146 dated 12/3/2025. Please the matter on? Oh, no, 8 April not, 2 April did. Same.
Along with another bail application, that is AB number 638. 25.
Along with AB number 638 of 2025.
25.
May I please, your lord. Lordship, this is a 482 petition, lordship. Lordship, if lordship permit, lordship, I'll go to the vernacular.
Yes, sure.
At page 22 started, lordship.
Vernacular is better.
Yes, vernacular is better, lordship, will get the thing. Page 22, accused number 2 and 3 is the petitioner, lord. Page 23. এজাহাৰকাৰী বিনীত নিবেদন এই যে এজাহাৰকাৰী এজন ব্যৱসায়ী লোক যোৱা 22/1/2025 তাৰিখে 2 নং আৰু 3 নং অপৰপক্ষই মোক জনায় যে 1 নং অপৰপক্ষই এখন জেচিবি গাড়ী বিক্ৰী কৰিব বিচাৰিছে। Lordship will take note this 2 নং and 3 নং is my client, the petition. They have informed him that this someone will sell a JCB. মই উক্ত জেচিবি গাড়ীখন ক্ৰয় কৰিব বিচাৰিছো বুলি জনোৱাত অপৰপক্ষই লখিমপুৰ জিলা ফুলবাৰী অঞ্চলৰ 1 নং মাছগলৈ যায়। 4 নং অপৰপক্ষৰ ঘৰত জেচিবি গাড়ীখন ৰখাই থোৱা অৱস্থাত অপৰপক্ষ আমাক দেখুৱাই দিয়ে গাড়ীৰ নং ইমান আৰু আমাক জনায় যে উক্ত গাড়ীখন 1 নং অপৰপক্ষই চেনিৰাম হাদনি নামৰ এজন লোকৰ পৰা ক্ৰয় কৰিছে আৰু গাড়ীখন এই পৰ্যন্ত 1 নং অপৰপক্ষৰ নামলৈ ট্ৰান্সফাৰ কৰা হোৱা নাই। অপৰপক্ষজনে আমাক 1 নং অপৰপক্ষ আৰু চেনিৰাম হাদনিৰ মাজত হোৱা গাড়ীখন বিক্ৰী হেতু পঞ্জীয়ন বিক্ৰী দলিল আৰু ইন্স্যুৰেন্স সাৰ্টিফিকেট চেনিৰাম হাদনিৰ নামত ৰেজিষ্ট্ৰেচন সাৰ্টিফিকেট ইত্যাদি দেখুৱাই কিন্তু পিছত মই গম পাওঁ যে উক্ত সকলো ধৰণৰ ডকুমেণ্টসমূহ অপৰপক্ষৰ হোৱা কম্পিউটাৰত বনাই মোক দেখুৱাইছিলে। উক্ত সময়ত মই অপৰপক্ষৰ লগত গাড়ীখন বিক্ৰী মূল্য 18 লাখ টকাৰ বন্দোবস্ত কৰি পিছত ইমান তাৰিখে লখিমপুৰ নিবাসী নটাৰী যোগে বিক্ৰী চুক্তিনামা পঞ্জীয়ন কৰি অপৰপক্ষক 8 লাখ টকা লখিমপুৰ এক্সিছ বেংক একাউণ্ট নম্বৰ ইমান আৰু 1 নং অপৰপক্ষৰ লখিমপুৰ SBI একাউণ্টত 7 লাখ টকা নেট বেংকিং যোগে জমা দিওঁ আৰু 1 লাখ টকা ফোনপে যোগে লখিমপুৰত আদায় দিওঁ। চুক্তিপত্ৰ পঞ্জীয়নৰ পিছত 4 নং অপৰপক্ষৰ ঘৰলৈ গৈ গাড়ীখন আমাক চমজি ল'বলৈ 1 নং অপৰপক্ষই কয় যদিও এই পৰ্যন্ত মোক গাড়ীখন চমজি দিয়া নাই। So it is between the 4 and 1 lawsuit. I have just shown that this is the vehicle. He is the person who sold. It is the owner is the so and so. We have nothing to do, lawsuit. We have not taken money. We have not taken anything. There is no allegation that we have taken money. It was bank transfer lawsuit. And their lawsuit nowadays, lawsuit, there is no year, no employment, nothing. Village boys, he said that he wants a vehicle. He said, all right, he sell a vehicle. You go there. And there is no allegation against my client. He has paid the money to 4. 4 has arrested and already on bail. And the payment was made to him, his account. There is not a single allegation lost against my client.
Yes, they are the introducer of the.
That is what lost. Yes, that's true. That is true, loss. I have introduced. I have shown it is vehicle was there.
Council, Mr. S. Sarman.
Yes.
Petitioners. 1 and 2 who have filed this application under section 482 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for clearance as well as they are apprehending arrests in connection with so-and-so PS case under so-and-so sections heard done additional PP Mr. DP Goswami for the respondent state. The allegation against the petitioners is that they have introduced the informant with the accused number 1 named in the FIR, and there was a transaction for purchase of a JCB from petitioner number 1.
No.
And money
Accused number 1.
for the accused number 1, and consideration for the JCB was deposited in the bank account of accused number 4.
Yes.
It is submitted that the
No,
present
it is directly to accused number 1, loss.
bank account of accused number 1.
One.
4, what is the role of 4? I forgot.
He is a caretaker, loss. If the JCB was there in his place, loss.
He has already been arrested.
He was arrested and bailed.
The petitioners are not involved in the transaction except for the fact that they have introduced the accused number 1 named in the FIR with the informant. It is submitted that the petitioners are willing to cooperate with the investigation. It appears that the petitioners can be granted interim bail. Call for the city list the matter on. In the interim and in the event of the arrest, the petitioners shall be enlarged on bail of rupees 30,000 with a suitable periodic amount to the satisfaction of the arresting authority under the condition that the petitioner shall appear before the IO within 1 week and cooperate with the investigation. The petitioners.
I'm good.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, this is an anticipatory bail application, lordship. FIR lordship will find on page 14, lordship. There are 4 family members in the house, lordship, 5 lordship. All of them are made an accused, lordship. FIR that is on page 14, lordship. Specific allegation against accused number 2, lordship. May I read the FIR, lordship? Most respectfully beg.
You have the CD?
Yeah.
No, it's a motion.
Motion.
Motion will need the CD.
Lordship, the mother-in-law, lordship, can be protect, lordship. She is a lady, lordship. The demand